Hello and hi friends, we are discussing the paper for physics paper of 1st shift 2nd September JMN 2020. The first question was a particle of mass m with an initial velocity uik collides perfectly elastically with a mass 3m at rest. Okay, then the u is moving in the x direction. After collision it will move in y direction with a v j cap. Then the value of v is u by root 2. Second question, two identical strings X and Z made of same material have tension Tx and Tz. In then, if their fundamental frequencies are these, then the ratio is 2.25. Respectively, a cylindrical vessel containing a liquid is rotated about its axis so that the liquid right is side as shown in the figure. Then the value of H will be 25 omega square upon 2g. The answer of fourth question was the least count of the main scale of a vernier calipers is 1 mm. Then we have 10 VSG equals to 9 MSG. It means vernier scale division, 10 vernier scale division equals to 9 main scale division. So the final answer of this question is 3.07 centimeter. For the fifth question, a gas mixture consists of 3 moles of oxygen and 5 moles of argon at temperature T. Then the value of the total energy in terms of RT is 15 RT. Interference fringes are observed on a screen by illuminating two thin slides 1 mm apart with a light source. Then the final answer of this question is 1.27 micrometer. You can check your OMR because the OMR have been released by the NTA. An amplitude modulator wave is represented by expression this. The minimum and maximum amplitudes are, answer is 5 by 2 volt is the minimum and the 8 volt is maximum. The mass density of a spherical galaxy varies as r over a large distance r from its center. Then the relation between t and r is t square proportional to r. In the next, a beam of protons with a speed 4 into 10 power 5 meter per second enters a uniform magnetic field of 0.3 Tesla at an angle of 60 degree to the magnetic field. Then the length of the pitch is 4 centimeter. Answer is 4 centimeter. A uniform cylinder of mass m and radius r. The answer of this question is mg 1 minus r minus a upon r whole square or under root. Question number 11. A bead of mass m stays as point P have coordinate a comma b on a wire bent in the shape of a parabola y equals to cx square. Then the value of omega is अंडर रूट 8gc. ये जो वैल्यू है अंडर रूट 8gc ये 2 रूट 2 gc है, यानी कि gc भी अंडर रूट में 2 रूट 2 अंडर रूट gc. इफ स्पीड भी यानी कि अगर अपने पास में डायमेंशंस हो v f और a के टर्म्स में, तो जो यंग मॉड्यूलस है उसकी डायमेंशंस क्या होगी, तो आंसर आएगा f1b0 a-1. In the next 13 question, a charged particle moves along axis with velocity v0 and passes through the origin. It enters a region having uniform electric field. The answer of this question is QED upon mv square d by 2 minus x. In a reactor, 2 kg uranium-235 fuel is fully used. Then the power output of the reactor is 60 megawatt. Answer 15. A plane electromagnetic wave has frequency of 2.0 into 10 power 10 hertz and its energy. Then the magnetic field of the wave is 160 nanotesla. Train A and train B are running on parallel tracks in the opposite directions with a speed of 36 km per hour and 72 km per hour. A person is walking in train A in the direction opposite to its motion with a speed of 1.8 km per hour. And find the speed of train B in the meter per second. Answer is 29.5 meter per second. If you want to find the answer in kilometer per hour, then you will multiply 29.5 with the 18 by 5. The magnetic materials is used for making permanent magnet and magnets in a transformer. This is a theory type question. Large retentivity and large correctivity is the correct answer. This question, a rigid and uniform 1 meter long rod AB held in horizontal position by 2 strings tied to its end attached to the ceiling. Then the answer of this question is 1. Consider 4 conducting materials: copper, tungsten, mercury and aluminium. The answer of this question is mercury has graded, is less than mercury and copper is less than mercury, further tungsten. Okay, the spherical mirror is obtained and shown in figure from a hollow glass sphere. In this question NTS provided answer inverted, magnified and real, but some students argue this question, and there are some students have given answer inverted, unmagnified and real. The 21 question after arguing, because according to the NTA answer is 36, but some students have give 4. A small block starts slipping down from a point B on an inclined plane AB, which is making an angle with the horizontal section BC is smooth. The answer of this question is 3. Next, 23. An engine takes in 5 moles of air at 20 degrees Celsius and 1 atm, then compress it adiabatically 1/8 of original. It means if original value is V, then the after compression volume is V by 10. The answer of this question is 46. 24 question, second last. When radiation of wavelength is used to illuminate a metallic surface, the stopping potential is V. When the same surface is illuminated with radiation of wavelength 3, the stopping potential is 4V. Then the value of N will be 9. The last question is, a circular coil of radius 10 centimeters placed in a uniform field, magnetic field, with its plane perpendicular to the field initially. It is rotated at constant angular speed about an axis along the diameter of coil. The answer of this question is 15. Thank you guys for watching this. We have continuous videos on each paper and the comparison between two papers, first and second, like in the JOSA counseling also, and any other colleges, engineering or medical. If you have any query related counseling, you feel free to comment in the comment section or asking any query related to college exam and counseling process. Okay, please like, share and subscribe this channel for enjoying current updates regarding the IIT and NIE Plus system and medical colleges also. Okay, thank you guys.